Hello and welcome to part 2 of this Planetizen module on traffic congestion. This module is about congestion pricing. I'm Michael Manville. I'm a professor of urban planning at UCLA and I will be your instructor. This is part 2 of a 2-part module. The first part, which is about sources and nature of congestion and how to measure it, is also available on Planetizen, and if you have not listened to that one, you should do so first. This particular module, though it does contain some review of what went on in the last module, will be very hard to follow for students who have not taken part 1. With that, let's talk a little bit about what we're going to cover in the next hour or so. In the last module, we talked about the causes of congestion, we talked about different ways to measure its damage, and we talked about things that don't work in fighting it, like building more road capacity, building more transit capacity, or trying to limit development. So that becomes the jumping off point for this module. We now understand congestion is everywhere. It's a problem that dominates a lot of our planning discourse. We understand we can't build our way out. We understand we can't not build our way out by limiting development. So what can we do? And the short version of it is this. What we can do is we can change the nature of the road itself. Hopefully you'll remember from module 1 that the road is a commons or a common pool resource. It's a good that is rival but non-excludable. And we will touch on that again in a moment. And we can change it to what's called a private good, something that's excludable. And so what that entails is removing its artificially low price. Remember again that in topic 1, we talked about how a road has an artificially low price. It's priced below its value. And what we can do is we can replace the time cost that congestion imposes on people for using the road with a money cost to use the road. And what this adds up to, if we want to actually reduce congestion, we have to dynamically price the road. We have to charge a price to use it in the form of a toll. It's an idea that's gaining a lot of traction and that most social scientists who study congestion agree is the only thing that's really going to reduce it. So hopefully you'll join me in chapter 2 and the remaining chapters to learn a bit more about the opportunities and obstacles to using congestion pricing as a way to reduce congestion.